of your feet. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and keep your back flat throughout the movement. Bring one foot up near the outside of your hand, as if climbing a mountain. Quickly return to the starting high plank position before repeating on the other side in a continuous motion. Go as fast as you can while maintaining good form. Your goal is to bring opposite elbow and knee as close together as possible. For more intensity, you can lift your free foot off the floor during the climber motion. Complete 2 to 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds per set with minimal rest between. Be sure not to let your hips sag or allow your back to round. Keep tension through your entire body. This full body exercise works your core, shoulders, arms and legs to improve strength, balance, and agility. Let me know if you need any clarification on the form for this challenging plyometric move. Proper technique is important to reap the benefits safely.